Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to mute and unmute someone's WhatsApp status update. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to mute or unmute what on WhatsApp updates, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here go for update section, and here you will get the person. If you have anyone, you can see there's one status update. Now I'm going to mute it, so you must have to keep a long press on this and you will get the hide statuses option. So if you want to mute the person, so you must have to select this hide option. Once you have that, the person's status will be hidden through your status update section. Or if you want to unmute or unhide that, so you must have to select this hidden update section and here just tap on this arrow icon. And here you'll get that this person has muted by me. Now keep a long press on it and here just select this unhide option or unmute option, just tap on it and the person will be unmuted. Now you can easily see the status of the person. So that's how you can easily mute and unmute someone on WhatsApp status updates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.